How to get the QR code of Outlook to log into your mobile device. So if you want to get the QR code of the Outlook to log into your mobile device, then first open up a browser and you need to simply go for the search and search for Outlook login. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.microsoft.com, and then go for sign in, which is in the upper right, and make sure to log into your Outlook on your laptop or your PC. And once you've logged in, go for the settings, which is on the upper right. And once you've done the settings, you can go for the general settings. And under your general settings, you can go for the mobile devices option. Go for mobile devices, and here you will have sign in faster to Outlook on your phone. Click on that, and it will generate you the QR code. So if you simply scan this QR code from your mobile device, then you will be logged into your Outlook on your iOS or on your Android. That's it. That's how you can log into your Outlook with your QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.